on today, YouTube? Since last time I told you guys a little bit about investing and trading and how much money do you need to start trading, I figured today I'd show you a little bit about what you're getting involved with if you decide to trade penny stocks and kind of how to get started. This is I'm going to try to get this as simple as can be, the simplest concepts you can learn as a beginner. Alright, so first things first. This is on Thinkorswim platform. But first thing I want to show you guys is how to read a candlestick. Sorry about that. Alright, now we're good. Alright, first thing I want to show you guys is how to read a candlestick chart. So, these candlestick charts. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now in here, now you see all these green and red, all these candles. They're called candles. And then, right here, this green box is the candle, and this green line right here, it's called the wick. And now, to better understand this, right now I am looking at I'll go to a day-minute chart. Now, in a day-minute chart, this means when this candle, right here, it opened at the minute, right here, and when the minute was over, at 9:52, it closed right here. And now see, we go to 9:53. You can see the time at the bottom of the screen, down here. But at 9:53, it's red. That means at 9:53, as soon as the clock struck 9:53, this opened here and closed here. Now the whole point of this, technical traders use this to trade all the time. And to make it simple, when you see a box filled, like when you see a box, that's when the price of the stock opened and closed. It opened here and closed here because it's a red candle. If it's a green candle, it opened here, closed here. Green candles are rising, red candles are falling. So, to go back even more, show you what the wicks are now. Got a good example here. At 10:04, again, time at the bottom, the stock price opened at 65 cents. You can see that on the right side of the screen. 65 cents. It closed at 74 cents within that minute. And now this wick here that you see, all that means is during that minute, that stock climbed the whole way up to 85 cents at one point in time. But it opened and closed within the minute from 65 cents to 75 cents. 10-cent gain in a minute. Now, why this is important. Technical traders will use charts like this to decide if they're going to enter or go out of a position. Now, I chose this stock called IEGH just to show you guys how crazy penny stocks can actually be. Market opened at 9:30, like it always. I'm Eastern time. It opened at 9:30 Eastern time, and you can see here from 9:51 to 10:10, this stock had about a 240% gain, over a 200% gain within 20 minutes. Now that's huge for day traders. They want as much as in that stock as they can get, and they'll look right here. This blue line that I have, it's called the EMA line. It's DMA if you're looking for it in Thinkorswim. DMA close 15. But they'll use that line, a lot of them, to see the momentum of the stock. So if it's always on this uptrend, it's a good indicator that the stock is uptrending. And now you see up here, this starts falling and it crosses below the EMA line. It kind of rides below that EMA line. And then it crosses over again. It rides above, crosses over, rides below. A lot of technical traders will use this for entering and exiting in positions. And this was a big winner for day traders today, this IEGH. And A lot of that time, these penny stocks, they're just manipulated. They're manipulated by news. And the whole reason this spiked was because I gotta get on the one. This stock at 9:51 today came out with news saying that they're going to plan to create its own crypto blockchain currency backed by gold metal. Now, this is people are obsessed with the crypto market right now, and they know how fast cryptos have been changing. So, any company involved with any blockchain, crypto, coin talk, if like they said they're going to start their own coin. So people will jump on this because it's such a cheap stock, and they think, oh, I can make like so much percent on my money if this pans out because it cost 27 cents this morning. And people think of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up to $20,000. Something at 27 cents going up to $20,000. Your returns are astronomical, and you can buy a lot more because it's only 27 cents. So that's the whole deal behind these trades. Long story short, but yeah, I just want to get you guys to know. And then, like, this is a day minute chart, so the most I can see on this frame right now is a whole entire. This is today's, from market open to market close. Now you can also, just to explain these candles a little more, say we go to 20-day 1 hour. What this is saying, each candle represents 1 hour, and this whole frame you're seeing up here represents 20 days. So in 1 hour, we'll just keep using this stock for an example. From 1 hour, this opened at 27 cents and closed at 49.50 cents, while reaching a high of about 58 cents. So when you look at it like this, that's showing you a 20-day span, and each candle represents 1 hour. You can also get candles to represent 1 day. Right here, we're on a 180-day. Yeah, I'm on a 180-day chart, 6 months, and each candle represents a day. So now this is showing you from this day, this stock went from 30 cents to 47 or around 48 cents. And now you don't know the fluctuations inside the day, but from the open of the market to the close of the market, that's what that stock moved. So I hope that gives you a good understanding of what these candles actually mean now if you're trying to figure that out. And another thing, I think a handy little tip if you guys want to know, a really good site, it's called FinViz. I'll put the link in the description. It's finviz.com. This will show you at the end of the day all the stocks that have the biggest change throughout the market this day. You can look at them. If you hover over them, you can see like what they did at their charts. You can click on them, and it will take you more in depth. You can look at their charts, or you can pull it up on Thinkorswim. That's usually what I do. I'll look it on here. You always get these ads that pop up, but it's fine. You just make them small. But this just shows you, it gives you some information about the company you're looking at. And yeah, I hope that gave you a better understanding of how actually, one other thing quick. You can actually pull up screeners on here too, which are useful. If you're looking to there's a lot of ads on the site, but it's a good site. You can pull up screeners and descriptive, fundamental, technical. You can look in here, set up your screener, it'll show you all the stocks if you're looking for. I can make future videos on that, but there's a lot of different screeners that show if the RSI, relative strength index, is below a certain amount. That shows stocks are oversold, so a lot of swing traders like to buy into the oversold and then try to sell when they're undersold and then try to hold on until they're oversold. You can't always take that to a T, though. There are always exceptions. So, hope that sums up a little bit of a candle, how it works. I'll start coming on future videos, showing you how I'm doing, and like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.